Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see professional dashboard on Instagram. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and here I have account, but I don't see any button because we need to first make sure that we have a professional Instagram account, because this option only available in the professional Instagram account. So to switch to professional, you will need to click on the three lines in the top right corner, go to the settings and activity, scroll down a little bit until you will find just account type and tools right here. Click on it and go and click on the first button here, switch to professional account. Now click next, and basically we can toggle on display and profile, it doesn't matter, so simply click on the switch to professional account and we'll have one. Just wait a little bit. Here you can just randomly pick some random options, and now that's completed. We can close, click on the cross button, and now if we refresh, as you can see, we have some new buttons here. And to see professional dashboard, we simply need to click on the professional dashboard button just under our profile icon. And as you can see, now I have a professional dashboard and I can see the monthly recap, for example, divided by the month, or new followers, etc. So basically that is how you can see professional dashboard on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.